What happens when you put a $1 robot against a $1 billion robot? Will the cheap bot even survive, or will the billion-dollar beast absolutely obliterate it? Today, we're testing robots at every price point from $1 all the way to $1 billion. Can money really buy the best technology, or will an underdog bot surprise us all? Let's find out! First up, the $1 robot. Okay, calling this a robot might be a stretch. It's basically a tiny wind-up toy with a wobbly wheel and zero intelligence. For its first challenge, we ask it to walk in a straight line. Result, it spins in circles and falls over. We try again and again, but no luck. At best, it's an unpredictable toy. At worst, a disappointment. It's fun for about 10 seconds, and then you realize it does absolutely nothing useful. Well, that went about as expected. Next, we've got a $10 robot. This one is a cheap DIY kit with basic movement and maybe, just maybe, some remote control functionality. It's got tiny wheels, a basic motor, and a little circuit board. Challenge: navigate a tiny obstacle course. Result: it moves, but only in the most chaotic, uncoordinated way possible. It crashes into walls, flips over, and basically fails at everything. We even try helping it, but nope, it just doesn't have the brain power to navigate properly. Not a great start for Team Cheap Bots. At least it looks kinda cool, though. Now things are getting interesting. For $100, we get a robot with sensors and basic programming. This is no toy. It can follow lines, avoid obstacles, and even respond to simple commands. It's like a toddler learning to walk. Clumsy, but at least it's trying. Challenge: follow a track without getting lost. Result: it actually does it. Sure, it's slow, and it hesitates at turns, but at least it's not falling over like the last two. We add more obstacles to see how smart it really is. Turns out it can adjust and reroute itself. Now we're talking. It might not be the most advanced robot, but for $100, it's surprisingly capable. At $1,000, we have a robot with actual AI capabilities. This isn't just remote controlled. It has object recognition, movement algorithms, and can interact with its surroundings. It can recognize simple objects, respond to commands, and even map out its environment. Challenge: pick up a small object and place it in a designated spot. Result: after some trial and error, success. It struggles at first, but once it locks onto the object, it grips it and places it perfectly. It even detects when something is in the wrong spot and corrects itself. This is a huge leap in intelligence compared to the previous robots. It's not perfect, but this is officially a robot that could be useful. This is where robotics starts getting really impressive. For $10,000, we're looking at something with advanced AI, machine learning, and robotic arms that can manipulate objects like a human. It moves smoothly, can make precise calculations, and can complete complex tasks with very little human input. Challenge: solve a simple puzzle. Result: it scans the pieces, calculates the best moves, and boom, it solves it in under a minute. But that's not all. We push it further and ask it to replicate a simple drawing. And guess what? It does it perfectly. This thing is actually smart. Now we're playing with real technology. For this price, we're dealing with a robot that can function in real-world applications. Think warehouse automation, robotic assistance, or even self-driving vehicles. Challenge: perform a complex task like making a sandwich. Result: it scans the ingredients, calculates the movements, and it actually makes a sandwich! Okay, it's a little messy, but still, this is next-level automation. It even slices the bread evenly, better than some humans, honestly. We test it with more tasks, and it continues to deliver precise results. This isn't just a fun gadget, it's a real tool for industries. For $1 million, we're talking about robots used in cutting-edge industries. Medical robotics, AI-powered humanoids, and even robotic security systems. This thing is built to be a high-tech game-changer. Challenge: perform delicate surgery on a grape. Result: it executes the task with pinpoint accuracy, slicing the grape with no damage. We push it even further. Can it tie a knot with tiny tweezers? Yep, it does it, and it does it flawlessly. This is where human-level precision meets robotics. We're officially in the future. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. What does a billion-dollar robot look like? Well, it's not just one robot. It's an entire AI-powered system with superhuman intelligence, autonomous control, and capabilities beyond anything we've seen before. We put it to the ultimate test. Challenge: solve a problem humanity has struggled with for decades, finding the most efficient way to power a city with renewable energy. Result: it processes billions of data points, simulates thousands of solutions, and within minutes, it proposes a plan that could revolutionize energy efficiency. This isn't just a robot. This is the future. And that's the showdown between a $1 robot and a $1 billion robot. The differences were insane, but every level had its own surprises. Which robot was your favorite? Let us know in the comments! And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because next time, we might just pit these robots against each other in the ultimate battle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.